Good morning, students. Today we will study the remarkable rocket in detail. The Remarkable Rocket is written by well-known author Oscar Wilde. Oscar Wilde is Irish writer born on October 16, 1854. Wilde is still better remembered for his personal life, his exuberant personality. Nevertheless, his witty, imaginative, beautiful works, in particular his novel, The Picture of Dorian Gray, and his play, The Importance of Being Earnest, are considered among the great literary masterpieces of late Victorian period. Throughout his entire life, Wilde continued deeply committed to the principles of aestheticism, principles that he expounded through his lectures and demonstrated through his works as well as anyone of his era. Wilde died in Paris on November 30 at the age of 46. Main, main characters of Remarkable Rocket: The Remarkable Rocket, Catherine Wheel, Bengal Light, Fire Balloon, Squibs and Crackers. I am telling you about the plot of this story. As part of the celebrations for the wedding of a prince and princess, a fireworks display is to be held. The fireworks display is a great success. The following day, the rocket is noticed by a workman who is cleaning up after the festivities, who considers the rocket a piece of garbage and throws the firework over the palace wall, where he lands in a muddy ditch. In the ditch, the rocket meets a frog, a dragonfly, and a duck. He does not get on very well with any of those animals. Two boys find the rocket. Mistaking him for an unusual stick, they use him as part of a fire they are making to boil some water. Nobody sees the rocket rise up into the air as it was a day, or hears his explosion. My dear students, I am sending you the detailed summary of the Remarkable Rocket so that it would be easier for you to understand the plot structure. It is the story about a wealthy prince. A wealthy prince and a Russian princess who are meant to marry meet for the first time and fall madly in love with each other. Their wedding is to be a huge celebration for the entire realm, with all sorts of entertainment, including fireworks as a grand finale. The princess has never seen fireworks, so the king and the prince are eager for her to see them. These fireworks, though, have the ability to speak, and they talk amongst themselves before they are launched by the pyrotechnic. Among the fireworks is a rocket who is arrogant, pompous, and condescending. When he brags about his heritage, the others call him insensitive, and he takes great offense. To prove his sensitivity, the remarkable rocket bursts into tears before he is lit and is too damp to catch fire. The servants dispose of him over the castle walls and he lands in a ditch. The rocket does not realize that he has been discarded and believes that he is being given time to recover his strength before being lit. He still believes that he is superior and speaks insultingly to a frog, a dragonfly, and a duck, boasting that he will be magnificent when he is finally let off. Two boys who are collecting wood to make a fire mistake him for piece of kindling. Much to his indignation, they place him on their fire. Eventually, he dries off enough to ignite and explode. Alas, it is the middle of the day and no one sees the display except a startled goose. Even as he fizzles away, the remarkable rocket still believes that he has created a great sensation. So let us briefly revise the summary. We are talking about the wedding of English prince with a Russian princess inside a castle where the fireworks are waiting to be released. Each of them has a character representing human types. They enter into a discussion before the release. The remarkable rocket, one of the fires, with its unpalatable arrogance, annoyed by the reactions of the others to their offenses, ends up crying and gets swept. Without being released and going to swamp, the remarkable rocket intersects with various animals that provide valuable lessons to him. But his arrogance only prevents him from changing their way of thinking and acting. Now, the conclusion. Oscar Wilde gave human qualities to this story as the language and the ability to speak. The Remarkable Rocket by Oscar Wilde is a very attractive short story and contains many principles of life that must be taken on consideration. During this story, the character Remarkable Rocket is always talking about himself. The story teaches us to not to be selfish because persons don't like selfish people. And I hope you understood the story. Thank you.